Hello everyone, myself is Priyal Prajapati. I'm working as an assistant dietitian at UN Mehta Institute of Cardiology and Research Center. Thank you UNMICRC for this opportunity. Today I'm gonna present seminar on keto diet. Which listed brief in introduction like what is keto diet, is historical perspective, types of ketogenic diet, what is ketogenic diet ratio, how does ketogenic diet work, keto-friendly foods, keto diet's benefits, who can use keto diet, and people who should avoid keto diet, should ketogenic diet should be recommended or not, its case study, and conclusion and final message. So what is ketogenic diet? So ketogenic diet is mainly a low carb and high fat lifestyle, so which stands to a state where fat is used as the primary energy source. So that's why it's called as low carb and high fat ketogenic diet. So introduction about ketogenic diet. So nowadays obesity is a main major worldwide health hazard. So majority of chronic diseases like hypertension, diabetes and heart disease are largely related to obesity, which is usually a product of unhealthy lifestyle and poor dietary habits. So one diet regime that has proven to be very effective for rapid weight loss is a because it is a very low carbohydrate and high fat ketogenic diet. So what is about history? So Russell Wilder first used ketogenic diet to treat epilepsy in 1921. He also coined the term ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is best for treating epilepsy. So what is ketogenic diet ratio? In ketogenic diet ratio, in fat to carbohydrate ratio is 5:1. A ketogenic diet mainly trends to high fat, moderate protein and very low carbohydrate diet. जनरली हमारे डाइट में 55 to 60% कार्बोहाइड्रेट, 35 to 40% प्रोटीन एंड 20 to 25% फैट होता है. पर जनरली इन कीटोजेनिक डाइट इट्स रिमेन्स लाइक 55 to 60% फैट, 30 to 35% protein and 5 to 10% carbohydrates. It's very low carbohydrates, that's and high fat ketogenic diet. So how does ketogenic diet work? In ketogenic diet, the proportion of fat is greatly increased and proportion of carbohydrate is greatly reduced. The body is forced to metabolize fat in place of carbohydrate. It usually 3 to 5 days for body to go into ketosis after starting the diet. Ketones can be detected in urine and is also recognized by our smell of individual's breath. So what is ketosis? When our body doesn't have sufficient glucose to power cells, levels of glucose and insulin decrease in the blood. So fatty acids are transported to the liver where they are oxidized in turned into ketones. Ketones which divided into acetone, beta hydroxybutyrate and acetoacetate, which also called ketone bodies. So what is ketosis? जब हमारी बॉडी में पूर्ति मात्रा में कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स नहीं होते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी में ब्लड ग्लूकोज एंड इंसुलिन डिक्रीज होता है. तो अब इसकी वजह से जब कार्बोहाइड्रेट लो होते हैं तो उसकी वजह से जो हमारे प्राइमरी सोर्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट नहीं मिलता है तो बॉडी में से फैट बर्निंग होना स्टार्ट होता है और वो जो फैट वो प्राइमरी एनर्जी सोर्स के लिए यूज होता है. द लिवर ब्रेक्स डाउन फैट इनटू कीटोन्स एंड कीटोन्स आर रिलीज इनटू ब्लड स्ट्रीम and ketones travel to the brain for energy, and this is the cycle for this. जब हमारी बॉडी में कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स नहीं होते तो हमारी बॉडी में फैट्स कन्वर्ट इनटू एज अ प्राइमरी एनर्जी सोर्स. So types of ketogenic diet. 4 types of ketogenic diet: standard ketogenic diet, cyclical ketogenic diet, targeted ketogenic diet and high protein ketogenic diet. जनरली ज़्यादा से हमारे डाइट में स्टैंडर्ड कीटोजेनिक डाइट एंड हाई प्रोटीन कीटोजेनिक डाइट यूज होता है. सो स्टैंडर्ड कीटोजेनिक डाइट इज अ वेरी लो कार्ब विच मॉडरेट प्रोटीन एंड हाई फैट डाइट which tends to 70% fat, 20% protein and 10% carbs. Cyclical ketogenic diet. This diet involves periods of higher carbohydrate diets. Like for example of जब हम 5 दिन के लिए कीटोजेनिक डाइट्स पे फॉलो करते हैं, तो उसके बाद 2 दिन हमें हाई कार्बोहाइड्रेट डाइट लेना होता है, तो वो साइक्लिकल कीटोजेनिक डाइट। आफ्टर टारगेटेड कीटोजेनिक डाइट, दिस डाइट परमिट्स एडिंग एडिशनल कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स अराउंड द पीरियड्स ऑफ इंटेंसिव फिजिकल वर्कआउट। तो हमारे साथ साथ फिजिकल वर्कआउट के साथ एडिशनल कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स भी पीरियड्स के अकॉर्डिंग एड्स होते हैं। हाई प्रोटीन कीटोजेनिक डाइट, this diet includes more protein which tends to 60% fat, 35% protein and 5% carbohydrate. Function of a ketogenic diet. People on a ketogenic diet initially experience rapid weight loss up to 10 lbs in 2 weeks or less, because हमारी in ketogenic diet is a very low carb and high fat diet. सो कार्ब कम होने की वजह से फैट एज अ प्राइमरी सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी के लिए यूज़ होता है, तो बॉडी में वेट लॉस सबसे ज़्यादा रहता है। सो बायोकेमिस्ट्री पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, तो व्हाट इज़ अबाउट बायोकेमिस्ट्री? ऑल कीटोजेनिक डाइट कंटेन्स अ वेरी लो कार्बोहाइड्रेट परसेंटेज. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy production in the body tissue. After 3 to 4 days of carbohydrate restriction, the central nervous system is forced to find an alternative source of energy. This alternative source of energy is ketones. Ketones bodies are produced in the liver and are two types, acetoacetate and beta hydroxybutyrate. Two metabolic processes come into action when there is low carbohydrate availability in body tissues. So these are two, gluconeogenesis and ketogenesis. So gluconeogenesis, what is gluconeogenesis? Is the process by which your body makes glucose from non-carbohydrate sources, mainly amino acid, lactate and glycerol. And what is ketogenesis? Is the process by which your liver produces ketone bodies from fat when glucose is not available in enough quantity for energy. So practicing intermittent fasting could also help you enter ketosis faster, because जब हम intermittent fasting पर रहते हैं, जो उसमें intake around 8 hours per day and fasting for the remaining 60 hours. So gradually हमारे बॉडी में कार्ब्स डिक्रीज होता है. सो इंटरमीडिएट फास्टिंग ऑल्सो हेल्प इन कीटोसिस एंड वेट लॉस. ब्लड यूरिन एंड blood breath tests are available which can help determine whether you have entered ketosis by measuring the amount of ketones produced by your body. Certain symptoms may also indicate that you have entered ketosis, including like increased thirst, dry mouth, frequent urination and decreased hunger or appetite. Who can use ketogenic diet? So children between the age of 1 to 6 years, adolescents and adults, individuals with seizures. People who should avoid ketogenic diet, like type 1 diabetes, pregnant and lactating woman, thyroid disease. So risk for type 1 diabetes on a keto diet. So diabetic, first is diabetic ketoacidosis. People with type 1 diabetes do not produce enough insulin, and a ketogenic diet can trigger unchecked ketosis, leading to a dangerous buildup of acid in the blood. This can quickly become life-threatening if not treated urgently. Okay. बेसिकली क्या होता है कि डायबिटिक कीटोएसिडोसिस जिसको होता है, तो उसमें इंसुलिन पे रहते हैं, तो हमारे बॉडी में जो कीटो डाइट पे रहते हैं, तो उसमें वेरी लो कार्ब लेना रहता है, तो इसकी वजह से वेरी लो कार्ब की वजह से इंसुलिन डिक्रीज होता है, तो पेशेंट को हाइपोग्लाइसेमिया होने के चांसेस ज़्यादा रहते हैं, तो ब्लड शुगर उसमें डाउन रहता है. तो लोअर अगर ये ट्रीट नहीं हुआ तो पेशेंट हाइपोग्लाइसेमिया में जा सकता है. न्यूट्रिशनल डेफिशिएंसी. The restrictive nature of ketogenic diet can lead to deficiency in certain vitamins and minerals such as fiber, thiamine and vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin D. So risk during pregnancy. Poor fetal development. A ketogenic diet can lead to development delays and changes in fetal brain development. Nutritional deficiencies. Restricting carbohydrates may make it hard to get enough to essential vitamins and minerals. needed for a healthy pregnancy, as many are found in carbohydrate-rich foods. Risk of ketoacidosis. Pregnancy itself can increase the risk of developing ketoacidosis, a dangerous condition where the body produces too many ketones. Potential for birth defects. Like some research suggests that a possible link between low carbohydrate diets and increased risk of birth defects. Increased risk of gestational diabetes. Some studies show a link between ketogenic diets and higher risk of gestational diabetes. So risk during lactation, risk of ketoacidosis. The risk of ketoacidosis continues into the postpartum period. Interference with milk supply. The low calorie nature of a ketogenic diet can impact milk production, which is usually crucial for infant nutrition and infant health. Weight loss focus. Many people go on the keto diet for weight loss, but postpartum is a time for healing and recovery, not a strict dieting. बिकॉज आफ्टर लैक्टेशन ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग की वजह से हमारा वेट लॉस धीरे धीरे कम रहता है. जनरली ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वेट लॉस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि उसके इफेक्ट न्यू बॉर्न बेबी पे पड़ती है. वाई शुड अवॉइड कीटो डाइट इन थायराइड डिजीज? सो इट मे रिड्यूस द लेवल ऑफ active thyroid hormone like T3. This is because carbohydrates are necessary for the conversion of T4 to T3, and drastically reducing carbs may interfere with this process. Ketosis can decrease your liver's ability to convert T4 to T3. So foods to eat on keto diet like meat, fish and eggs, healthy oils like olive oil, coconut oil, leafy greens and non-starchy vegetables, nuts and seeds, cheese and dairy products in moderation, fruits like avocado, peaches, blueberries, strawberries, olives. Foods to avoid on keto diet like dairy products like bread, pasta, rice and grains, sugary foods, beans and legumes, roots and vegetables which having high starch and carbs in nature like potatoes, carrots, processed food, grains or starches, alcohol. So benefits of keto diet. So what is benefits of keto diet? Like reduces appetite because ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उसमें फैट ज़्यादा रहता है तो हमारी बॉडी को भूख नहीं लगती, तो reduces appetite. Lead to more weight loss at first because उसमें कार्ब्स लो रहते हैं तो हमारे weight loss ज़्यादा रहता है. A greater proportion of fat loss come from abdominal cavity. Triglycerides tend to drop drastically. इंक्रीज लेवल ऑफ HDL कोलेस्टेरॉल क्योंकि उसमें हेल्थी फैट रहता है. रिड्यूस ब्लड शुगर एंड इंसुलिन लेवल बिकॉज हमारी बॉडी में कार्ब्स लो होने की वजह से ब्लड शुगर एंड इंसुलिन लेवल डाउन रहता है. में लोअर ब्लड प्रेशर, इफेक्टिव अगेंस्ट मेटाबॉलिक सिंड्रोम, थेराप्यूटिक फॉर सेवरल ब्रेन डिसऑर्डर्स लाइक एपिलेप्सी एंड सीजर्स. Okay, side effects. So what is the major side effects for ketogenic diets? Hypoglycemia, osteoporosis, hypercholesterolemia, hyperacidosis and bad breath. अभी हाइपोग्लाइसेमिया क्यों होता है? क्योंकि बॉडी में कार्ब्स लो होने की वजह से बॉडी में जो फैट होता है वो एनर्जी सोर्स के लिए यूज़ होता है, तो शुगर लेवल के डाउन होने की वजह से हाइपोग्लाइसेमिया होता है. अभी ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस क्योंकि keto diet which mainly deficient in vitamins and minerals, so it also tends to osteoporosis. Hypercholesterolemia because having a high fat diet is also tends to hypercholesterol. So hyperacidosis because हमारी बॉडी में कीटोन्स ज़्यादा रहता है तो कीटोन्स की वजह से हमारी बॉडी एसिडिक हो जाती है, तो उसमें एसिडोसिस की हाइपर एसिडोसिस की प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा रहती है. बैड ब्रीथ क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी में एसिड ज़्यादा रहता है तो बैड ब्रीथ की भी प्रॉब्लम रहती है. ओके, व्हाट इज कीटो फ्रेंडली फूड? लाइक मीट, एग, कुकिंग ऑयल्स, फिश, नट्स, फुल क्रीम एंड एवोकाडो. सो इंडियन कीटो डाइट for vegetarian and non-vegetarian. For vegetarian, and it can also use milk, paneer, cheese, yogurt, butter, beans and pulses, avocado, vegetables and soya. So in non-vegetarian, it also use egg, mayonnaise, poultry, fish and meat. So this is the shopping list for ketogenic diet. So it can be used in nuts which are listed below, like almonds, kesar, hazelnut, uh, peanuts, pine nuts, pistachio nuts, and walnuts. In seeds, which can use also chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, other whole food fat sources like avocado, coconut, and olives. Nuts and seed butters like almond butter, coconut butter, peanut butter, sunflower seed butter, walnut butter, and healthy oils like almond oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, flaxseed oil, walnut oil. It can be also used for ketogenic diet. So low carb snacks which can be eaten between meals: a piece of fruits, full fat yogurt, 1 or 2 hard boiled egg, a handful of nuts, some cheese and meats. So what is about conclusion? A ketogenic diet may be followed for a minimum of 2 to 3 weeks up to 6 to 12 months. Hence, monitoring individuals on a keto diet closely once or twice a month for blood glucose, ketones, cardiac and other parameters is essential. जब ketogenic diet पे रहते हैं तो हमारी blood test like glucose test, ketone test, cardiac and other parameters is essential to check. So conclusion and recommendation: potential signs such as nausea, poor attitude, tiredness, vomiting and constipation should be managed with medical checkup by specialists and as well as nutritionists. The keto diet should be followed only after taking advice from a dietitian. People who suffer from diabetic risk, serious hypoglycemia, whether the medication is not correctly balanced until beginning the diet. It is essential not only to concentrate is consuming high fat foods but also to provide a daily collection of fish, meat, veggies, berries, leafy greens, so sufficient intake of nutrition, minerals and vitamins that have been excluded from the diet. So final message: moderation is the key to be used. Long term can increase morbidity, mortality and rarely sustainable. So 50% carbohydrates, 20 to 25% protein, 25 to 30% fat with plenty of green leafy vegetables will be sustainable in the long term and it is less risky. Thank you.